Hello everybody, Nathan here with my buddy David.
Don't reveal my face. That's bad.
Crazy, what's wrong?
Don't you really release my face.
I think he's just hiding the fact that he's watching his phone. Anyways, I'm not here to have fun right now. I'm here to show you something. I've been building these. For all you Gundam fans, I've been building these gunpla. I will explain all of them, and then my friend over here is trying to hide his face that I can definitely show so easily, but I'm not, has built his own over there. See? Anyways, I'll go over mine first. This one, we built this together. Its name is Build Strike Galaxy Cosmos. Only I could get better lighting on this dark area. Sorry about that. And then the next one I built was this Barbatos. And then the next one over here was AZ Gundam, which is an Amazon exclusive. And then after that, I built this Wing Gundam Zero Custom. And then I built this one, Wing Gundam Fenice. And then after that, I built this Gundam 00 Diver. It's Gundam 00 with Riser that has Trans Am. And then this one over here, the yellow one, is Winning Gundam. And then this one is the Snowball Gundam. And then the Impulse Gundam. And then the last one I've built, the Star Burning Gundam. And then this Gundam over here that he's built as a Christmas gift. Its name is Astray Gold Frame. He likes gold frames, don't?
Hey, stop. I'm gonna
Too late. Your face got revealed.
How could you? I'm gonna reveal.
Next, I'm gonna do these so much. And then I even have more over there. I even have Sinanju, which is really good. Anyways, that's it for now. I might have another upcoming video as I might have another upcoming video today that I'm gonna upload while this guy reads his manual to put the stickers. He doesn't care about the face reveal anymore, does he?
Yeah.
Well, bye.